What's up, guys? I'm at the Tennessee River, right under the Interstate 40 bridge right now. It is just a tad before 5 o'clock. I've been out here since about, I got here at 4:10, and it took me this long. I ain't about a mile and a half from the boat ramp when I had a problem with my stupid navigation lights. But anyhow, I finally got set up under this bridge because it's pretty, you can see it or not, but it's foggy out here. I didn't feel too comfortable going too far down the river until it gets a little bit more daylight. But all I got with me is frozen shad right now. I want to try to throw my cast net once the sun gets up a little bit and I can halfway see what I'm throwing at. Hoping maybe I can catch some live something and put on here, maybe try for a flathead or two. But I don't have a whole lot of time. I got to work tonight. I was off last 2 days, so it's about a 2-hour trip from here to my house. So I'm gonna give it to about 9 o'clock, see what we can come up with. Well, that's the species I was looking for. Might be the smallest one I've ever caught. I ain't mad at him. I ain't mad at him. Let's let him go. Get big, buddy. What this is, but I think I need a net. I'll need a net for it. Oh Lord. Lord. Ah, get off of me. God bless. Hook myself. Pull my pants up. Got to break the pole. I don't really know what to do here, just to be honest. this is slick as crap. Ooh, that gar did that. His teeth. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera. And he cut me on my leg. I have no idea where my fish grips are. He slung them somewhere, probably in the water. Now they're up here. I kind of want to get a weight on him. That is a huge freaking long-nosed gar. Definitely my personal best. I know everybody's worried about the personal best long-nosed gar. Tore up my pants. Why you tear up my shorts? Jerk. Man, this dude is solid. About to tear up everything I own. I'm scared he's gonna pop me again. I'm hung up on something back here. That's got a pretty good grip on him. Oh, chill out. God bless. Let's use the wings on it. $23.24. God. Nasty, nasty, nasty. I think I got a fish on here. I do. How about that double up? Old flathead and a gar. I don't want you to touch my pole. Another little tiny flathead. What's the deal? I'll take him. I ain't gonna let him have the rest of my bluegill. All right, now what are we gonna do about this slime ball? I wish I could get some pictures with him, but I know he ain't gonna act right. I know he ain't. Look at this. Man, 23 pounds of butthole is exactly what that is. He is a native fish. You know he's mean as crap. Man, that is a big old gar. I want to try to pick him up, but I know I don't have no gloves and that'd be dumb, so I'm just going to put him on the fish grip and let him in the water. He's probably going to go crazy for a minute. Get him on the top of the snoot here. Woo! Oh, let you go. You gotta be good. Who all's done CPR on a gar? There he goes. What did to my shorts? Ah! What did to my skin? Slime ball. Well, that was interesting. Today was a day, I guess. 2 flatheads and a giant long-nosed gar. I caught my PB. I can't get mad at that. I guess I don't think too many people out there is that excited about catching their personal best gar, but hey, 23-pound fish. That was a fight. It was a freaking fight when I got him in the boat. But anyways, it's 8:50. I might run this motor up and down the river a little bit, see if I can't find some treasure. But I said I was gonna leave at 9, and I got all my poles reeled in, and it is done for me as far as fishing today. I'm gonna head to the house. Tennessee River is, man, this one stretch of it just has not played nice with me this year. I've caught some catfish and I've caught some gar. I caught my first ever spotted bass just south of here, but I don't know. I ain't done with it yet this year. I might come back another time or two. I don't know. I think I might need to start fishing more towards the dam at Pickwick. Seems like that's where everybody catches the big catfish at. And maybe it was the bait today. You never know. Would have been nice to catch some skipjack and use them. But like always, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.